Hey everyone, Adventure Folk here again. Now today we are going to be learning how to make a piggy game on Scratch. First of all, create a new project and name it Piggy or whatever you want it to be. And what you want to do is you want to create a piggy character, right? So what you want to do is create like a piggy, like a main title screen piggy. So create a new square and call this main title pig. Now this is the pig you're going to be having with. This is Peppa, or this is main character as you want. So you want to create your character. This is going to be my character, like a little cute old Peppa with red eyes and stuff. I don't know. Those look weird. There. So this is going to be my character. Like this. I have no idea what I'm making right now. There. So it don't look like that. Oh. Okay, well just what do I do? Okay, so let me actually make a character. Now what you can do right now is just create your main title piggy. Your main title character. Create your main title character. This is mine. And create the first piece of code. When clicked, it would go to your starting area. This is going to be my starting area. And it would forever it would just do okay, so we're gonna make that glitching effect that happens on Piggy, that glitching effect. Why'd you do it like that? I don't care. I don't care. So as you go to here, it would go to costume 2, and it would well, first let's create the play button. Name it play button and create your play button. I'll change all of this later and share it so that you all can play this and actually advance the code. This is like a simple version. So we're gonna add play. Make it like this. This is like the easiest one. This one I really like. Play, add it in. Is it one click? Show. Switch to costume 1. Forever, if else. If touching mouse pointer, we'll make a second costume and make everything dark. Like so. Oh. Like this. You can see that. It would go to this costume and add the normal costume of that. So what we just did is basically, if the mouse pointer is like this, so the code is one clicked forever. If this is touching the mouse pointer, which is this, it would go to this costume. Else, if it's not touching it, it would go to that costume. Let's just do when this where is clicked, broadcast message 1 and hide. How about that? And we would repeat until, let's just do when this, let's use message 1, switch to backdrop 2. And this we just go to backdrop 1. And in the code, we can do repeat until backdrop number is equal to 2. Where is that equal? I think it's here. Is it equal to 2? Hey, so we got All right. Now that we have it until it would repeat, we have to make it pick random. So we would do it as switch costume to. This is just an easy, simplified version. Pick random. 1 to 2. And then we just do this. I don't even know if this works. Maybe it doesn't, but we'll fix it. We'll just make this wait 1 second so it doesn't like keep glitching its head. If the costume number equals 1 or 2, then 2. This is just a normal effect, so it goes here. And 3 is the glitched effect. After I click play, it will repeat until that's like that, and it will keep doing that, like that. And it just stopped. It didn't stop. I think it just stopped. Alright, so that is very good. Very well done. 1 second, and switch back to. So what this would do is, if it was on this one, it would wait 0.1 seconds before it would come back to this. So it looked like we were glitching. So on the play button, we'll just do this. And clicked forever. If the backdrop number equals 2, then it would stop everything. Oh, it's right here. Equals 2, then it would hide itself. And remember to add the show at the beginning of this code. So what we would do is when it hides, make it stop other scripts and spread like this. So what this would do is it would keep glitching like this. Look at this. And then press play. It hides and all of this code just stops. Oh. Now for the background sequence. Backdrop 1, what you would see at the beginning. So what I would do is, I don't have the thing. Okay, let me just quickly make a simple one, and later I will improve it. Just do this. Yeah, later I'll improve this and other ones. You can make yours too. That's what you have to do. I'll make it so I'll make it this and like a random door just appears out of nowhere, but then you notice it's right over here. Because then you like come all the way over here. And then you can add a title sequence or a player count. Now, if you want to be cheeky and add fake players, I'll show you how. If you don't, skip. Go to the description and watch the parts where it says, where it would say where it's skipped. And I would just say skipped. So what we would do is we would, add this. And then I would add this and this. Looking like the real thing. But this here, add this little tiny piece of code right here. And click hide. When the backdrop, such as the backdrop table, wait 1 second, show. And we will do this as player voting. So we added our player voting and just place it right here as big as you want, our color. And if you want to be cheeky, you can do what I do. Here, add it so you can skip this if you want to. We're going to do this. So we can see that. And if that happens, we would just create a new variable. How about this? We'll create a new variable called real name. And we would set the real name, go to setting, and place it as username. And my username is Cameron. So we'll do this. And we will show the real name. So real name, username. As it works, as we would do to right click it and click to large readout. So we put that thing there, and we would add fake name. Add as many fake names as you want. Let's just do set fake name to and just do Joanna dash 6 to 3. Yeah, we'll just do that. So the name and right click, large readout, and put that right here. Cheeky. And what we would do is okay. We would hide both of these variables. Real name. So when it was clicked, these would do this. As soon as it shows, it would show variable fake name and the real name. Alright, now you have the fake name and stuff. Well, if you skipped, we added fake names. You don't need to do this, but you can if you want now. So now that's over with, we gotta make map 1. And of course, we want cutscenes for this. This is almost the end, so don't worry. We will create a map, and my map is going to be like a cinema. It's like the carpet, and the movie theater is gonna be up. You know, there's like carpets, like in the middle. Yeah, and then I do that like this. You can create your own right now if you want to. You can do this. And then we can create kind of like chairs. And like the giant TV. And then do movies. I'm kind of lazy, so I'm gonna do this. And we would put this right here. Let's see. And we also want to do this with this because, you know. And movies. And when this is clicked, this right is called, it would broadcast cut scene for movies. Hide. And for everything else here, actually, yeah, this is going to be the end of part 1, the player voting. I will see you all in the second one.